Hey, it's me, Leah, and you're wondering what's in this little bag. Full disclosure, this was gifted to me for me to try, and this is very unique, and I've been wanting to use this in my kitchen. These are the iron fish, and yes, I said iron fish. Actually, these go right into your soup or your cooking water to help add iron to your meals. Look at these. All you do is place the iron fish into your boiling water, soup, or broth, and you let it cook for 10 minutes. I like adding a few drops of lemon juice or anything acidic because that helps release the natural iron. So I have a nice lemon chicken soup here. So I already have the lemon in it, and I'm just going to drop this fish right in there. This is such an easy way to boost the iron intake naturally, especially if you're cooking for your family or want a reusable alternative to supplements. It's made from food safe iron and can be used again and again and again. You just wash it and dry it and store it for next time. It's that easy. I just love that it doesn't change the taste of my food, but it still gives that extra nutritional support. It's perfect for soups, stews, rice, or even just your boiling water. And if you're looking for a real simple way to add that added support of iron intake into your meals, this is something that's worth giving a try, and I absolutely love that I have this.